Microsoft Baseline Security Analyzer is a software tool to determine the security state by assessing missing security updates and less secure security settings within Microsoft Windows and Windows components. Originally designed for small to medium-sized businesses, Microsoft Baseline Security has been an important tool in determining the vulnerabilities on enterprise and non-enterprise computer systems. Once you have downloaded the software and launched the program, you will see a screen similar to this. On this screen you have several options. You have scan a computer, you can scan a single computer. Multiple computers, you can scan multiple computers in a network. And you can also view previous scan reports and vulnerability reports. These options are again repeated over on the left hand side here. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to select scan a computer. So I just click scan a computer. Here you see it gives my network name and computer name as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add my IP address for this particular computer. If you're scanning a range of computers, it will give you an opportunity to put in a range of IP addresses. So let me go ahead and put my address in. And here you will see when it prints the report, it'll print with a domain, the computer name, the date and time of the test, and the IP address associated with the computer being tested. You also have a range of options here that you can either choose or uncheck if you do not desire to have those particular items scanned. Okay, you just go down to the lower right hand corner and click scan, start scan. Now this is going to take a few minutes, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a break here, and I will come back once the scan is completed and give you an idea of what the results were found. Okay, our scan has completed. As you can see, I do have one issue I need to address, but I'll look at that in a moment. What we have scanned here are the development tools, runtime tools, security expressions, Silverlight, security updates. As you can see, there are green shields with white check marks, meaning that there were no vulnerabilities or security issues there. Scrolling down, we see my red shield with the X here is for the file system. This means that not all the files on this computer are in the NTFS format. So to check out to see what the problem might be, I go to results details, click that, and you can see that what I have found, move this down here, what I have found is drive letter E, which is partition E, has got the problem here. It's showing it's still FAT32. I'm not really worried about that because that particular partition on this hard drive has just got some miscellaneous stuff on there. It's not a security issue, not a vulnerability of the network or anything like that. So I'm really not going to worry about that problem at this time. Also, you will see that the little yellow shields with the exclamation points, those are basically things you need to look at. They're not really a vital security problem, but they're something you should address and probably should try to go ahead and remedy. The blue circle with the exclamation point, informational purposes only, just something that you may want to look at and see if there's anything you need to do. Not really a security issue at all. Scrolling down even further, you see again the informational for the auditing services, shares, and Windows version. Now, there is no score for the Internet Information Services, IIS, or the SQL server, and basically it's because this computer is not being used as a web server or an SQL database server. So it won't show any results there. The Microsoft Baseline Security Analyzer is a vital tool in probing for vulnerabilities, security, weaknesses, anything in your network structures, your computers, and one way to keep your network secure from hackers and any other type of security breaches that need to be addressed and to be remedied. At the end of this video, I will give you the URL again to go to Microsoft and download this program. It is free. There is no charge for it. And I think you would find it a very useful tool in your network security management systems.